get a hiatal hernia, you can get some trouble.
Mm-hmm. I imagine.
And then there's the vena cava. That's the vein coming back up the back. That's called the inferior vena cava. These are broken ribs.
They seem okay.
What is this right here? This big pink thing going down the middle.
Where?
Right there. You're touching it.
This?
Yeah, don't cut it.
Larynx?
No, the larynx area is up here. What's behind the larynx?
Esophagus?
Esophagus.
Yeah.
It goes all the way down to right next to the aorta. That's why if you get heartburn.
What do you mean? It smells so good.
That's why if you get heartburn, it feels like it's on your heart. Because the esophagus gets burning and your heart sits right on top of it.
Yep, sure does.
You can see the hole that goes through there. See the diaphragm. Aorta, inferior vena cava, and esophagus. All together. That's nice. And then you can see right here, Luke. This is the carotids going right up off of the arch. It's a nice dissection. Look at that. Carotid.
That is nice.
And then your arch right there, and it pumps down. So these go right to your brain. It's the first branch after the coronary arteries that come off.
Right.
Feed your brain.
Feed it that good blood juice. Chitlins, anyone?
Delicious. See if we can get her female parts. Oh yeah. So what's really interesting about this, we gotta get rid of this.
Yeah, more drops.
Sponge. Suction. So you feel how beefy these iliopsoases are? And right back here should be the pancreas under the kidney. It's below the peritoneum. It's called a retroperitoneal organ because it actually exists. There it is right there. This white spot.
Yep.
That's all pancreas.
Right.
It has a little duct that comes up and dumps into the intestine.
Right.
And it's the only organ in us that's outside of this lining. So it's retroperitoneal. It's behind the peritoneum.
That's why it can be busted easier.
Well, it's actually protected more than anything else, but
really,
if it starts bleeding, there's no space for it. So you get, that's why when it swells and you get pancreatitis, it's a bad thing. It's really bad. And I think this is going to be part of her bladder and her uterus right here. See this?
Yeah, it's definitely uterine production.
Yeah, there's the uterus. So as we go there, there's her colon. That's a descending colon.
Yep.
And the uterus sits right on top of the colon. And this has to be her uterus. Yeah, there it is.
Yeah, it is.
I thought it was the appendix. I was wrong. And then this is her bladder. It just came off. It's part of her bladder. There's a fallopian tube.
Yep.
So at the end of that, we should find her ovary. Right there. It's an ovary. Isn't that crazy? Ovary, fallopian tube,
Sure is.
uterus. And her other, looks like the other one got torn. We got one nice in dissection. So you have 3 tubes that come out. The bladder right here, the uterus that exits into the vagina, and then the colon that exits into the rectum. So 3 layers in a woman. Which one are we missing, Zach? We don't have that middle one.
All right. I think we're good.
Yeah.